let us look into a few more stocks which are basically for swing trading. Like I'll be doing swing trading on this, provided there is an opportunity or it comes to the price like which I have marked. Again, just for information, not for taking any trades based on this. Yeah, this is just my personal view. So the first one is RML. It was in news when government made this airbags mandatory. It's a small cap company, fundamentally not great, not very bad. So, anyways, for swing trades, we don't look much into fundamentals, and like in this kind of falls, when you are doing swing trade, it's dangerous because like in one day, like if market falls under the 300, 400 points, this can break the supports. But then like we do keep stop loss. So, but here like the swing entry is not in a particular zone. Like it's at 297 right now because it's not showing the exact closing price zero. The tomorrow only it will show. So this zone, like whenever there is a reversal symptom, we'll look into the other things, including any divergence and RSI, MACD, and all those things. We will look into the volume. Yet I have not shown anything. It's immaterial in a bear market. That's what I believe. It's a short-term bear market. That's what I believe. Let's see. So if we enter, then yeah, like we'll be looking for kind of a 10% target as a minimum. Maybe 300 plus, maybe an opportunity like when it's actually reversing. So let's see. But this zone looks good to me. I have some holding, so even I may be adding for medium time as well. Cholamandalam Finance, it had a lot of interest in a recent past, and now it is coming down. And when it comes down to a round figure, which is 600, around that zone, like we can see there are multiple supports. So that may be an interesting zone which I'll be looking for. Currently, it is trading at 624. Ramco Industries, yes, there was multiple buys in this one. Company is fundamentally good. That's what I could see, at least as per my limited experience. I would say that you can definitely get it analyzed with, or like you can get opinion of someone else on this. But as far as I understand, the company is fundamentally also good. It's coming down, not a rounding bottom or something. It is not that much of a round. It came down sharply at 198, 193 it is right now. It's somewhere around this zone. And in this zone, like there are multiple supports, like so. This also I'll be looking for a swing trade entry. Dixon Technology, again, if you see valuation wise, it's PB is somewhere around 28 or 29, price to book value. So not a cheap, not at all cheap as per the valuation. So, but still, like this moves 7 to 8% or 10% very quickly on either side. That's the problem. So if it comes down further, somewhere around this zone 3415 or 3400 to this zone, then and if the market is attempting short covering, that time we can try, as in I may try, and below 3000 or somewhere the stop loss should be. The problem is like more than 10% kind of a stop loss, then it will be, or else like you shouldn't be keeping that much large stop loss. As in like if the situation is pretty bad, then we should be a little more like we should be taking little more care on this, and somewhere around 3340 3300 somewhere, like we should be exiting. Okay, as in when I say we, consider it I, okay, because I told you it's not for trading purpose. Raj Industries, again, you can see it was after the breakout multiple times this zone was tested. So this zone is definitely not a very strong zone as per like technical analysis. We don't say like this is a very safe zone, because there were multiple attempts, 1 2 3. Once it broke, but it came up. Fortunately, it came up pretty fast, and again it attempted. Then next time if it is attempting, definitely not a very strong support, but yes, if the market supports and the company's future perspective also looks good, but for a swing trading, that is also immaterial. So if there is any symptom of reversal in chart, then we should be tracking this one. And if we get it somewhere around this zone, and like if there is a green candle or like bullish engulfing candle or like morning star or something, we get some kind of a bullish pattern, then we may attempt a trade. with the stop loss just below somewhere around 295, I would say, as per my levels. Banco India, this again is a stock which fell so much. Yeah, this one is a fundamentally also decent, very decent or good company. So few levels I have marked like the first entry, not for a swing trade, kind of a medium term entry, somewhere from 120. So I think like today it is somewhere around that level only. Until 107, these levels look good to me. Mahindra CE, like there was a trade. My friends know, like I have already did a trade on this, and fortunately got a good profit. And after the results, like the result was also good, then it is coming down with the market. So there was kind of a double bottom made here. So if it again comes down to that level, maybe worth attempting a swing trade with 5 to 10 percentage stop loss as per one's like comfort or risk reward ratio they want. But still, it's just suggestion. Definitely don't take any trade based on my suggestions. Like you should be able to analyze it. Yeah. So very few stocks. There are multiple stocks right now. We would say like majority of the stocks looks good at least 30 to 40% down from the peak. So we cannot board like everything. So we'll look into something which may give us decent returns in near future. Let's see how these stocks are moving. The thing is, add this into your watch list and start watching. Let's see whether we are going to get a trade on this.